One of my favorite things about living in California, especially in Bakersfield, is that they have this flavored milk. And this is orange cream flavored. And not only does it taste delicious, but it leaves behind a really nice milk mustache. Wait, what? No! Good morning once again, weekenders. Today is Saturday, and I spent the first half of the day driving down to LA, down to Sky Park at Santa's Village, which is a mountain bike park that is Santa themed. So I'm gonna go get ready to ride, and the park opens in about 10 minutes. So hopefully I'm one of the first ones up.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me.
Well, I'm done riding at Sky Park. Super awesome trails. Very glad that I came. It's actually a little warm, like 85 degrees out right now, but there's a lot of trees around here, so I was riding in the shade a lot. I am really dirty, really sweaty. I put on some sunscreen and some off because there's a lot of bugs up here. So I need to find a place to take an actual shower. The closest truck stop to here is about 16 miles in the wrong direction, but I'm thinking it might be worth it to go grab a nice warm shower. I forgot to fill up my shower tank with water, so can't really take a shower in the back of the van. So just on the other side of this hill is the city of Los Angeles, and you know what, I'll go show you how high up we are.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Got about a 1 hour drive to get to tomorrow's event, so I'm gonna head over there right now.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own.
Well, I've stopped for the night, folks. The sun is still out, But I actually woke up pretty early this morning, 4 a.m. to be exact. And I feel like this is a pretty decent place to stay, just on the side of the road, next to all these industrial buildings. All the parking lots say, you know, no parking inside of their lots, so I'm just gonna park on the side of the road. So that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the weekend vlog. It is 5:50 right now, and the sun is completely out, pretty much. Turns out it was probably not the best place to sleep. There's actually a train really close to here. Oh, look, railroad crossings right there. So, yeah, the train is really close. The train passed by quite a few times last night, honking his horn. And there's also a lot of cars driving by in the middle of the night quite quickly, which also helped to keep me up a little bit. I guess I really should have actually just taken a shower last night instead of going to bed dirty, because I just feel dirty now. Fortunately, I'm going to do a triathlon today, so I will be swimming, which is basically a bath, right? So my transition area is all set up. I'm in the 34 and under age group, which is a pretty big age group actually. So I don't really know what to expect. It's also been a little while since I've done a triathlon, so hopefully I can remember what to do, but we'll see.
Oh, you meant the world to me.
This episode of the weekend vlog is brought to you by Vita Coco. Drink up. Well, I'm done with the triathlon, folks. That was pretty tough. It's been a long time since I've last swam. Basically since the last try that I did, and that was in October, so about 7 months ago since I've swam really at all. So I pretty much sucked on the swim. By the time I got to the bike, I was one of the last people on the bike, and there was a lot of climbing, 2,000 feet of climbing in about 14 miles. So that wasn't too much fun. And then when I got to the run, it was another 700 feet of climbing, just going up and down the side of the mountain. Very pointless, very stupid. I really wish it would have just been up and down the mountain maybe once. That would have been good enough for me. Overall though, still really glad that I did the race. My muscles and everything were feeling pretty good. Just that my head wasn't. I wasn't really in race mode for some reason. So maybe I just need to start doing more tries since it's been so long since I've done one. Well, I am back in Shafter. Had a very long and boring drive back here. Still pretty early out, so probably gonna go and take the Crusty Duster up for a little flight.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over.
I don't really know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, so I don't know. I guess I'll take you guys along with me. Yeah, can I get a, what are you guys doing here? Get out of here, go. So it turns out I'm not actually doing anything else for the rest of the day besides making this video. I did just realize that I forgot to show y'all the shirt that I got from the try today. And I'd say it's a pretty cool one, like a Captain America style, and it says Xterra on it, so pretty neat. Gonna put it in the box with all the others. With all that being said, I will be signing out for this weekend, and see you next weekend. Croissant!